On this video, we are going to be talking about consistency. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. Some few days ago, I just broke a 210 days straight morning push-up streak, and it's fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. And hey, I want to be the best at helping people build consistency. That's why I also rehearse consistently on my live stream. And yeah, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually wanted to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So this is June 20th, 2025, and this is going to be day 347 of consistently helping people build consistency. So let me just get straight to the point. One of the best way on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, meditating, and lots of other positive things is to basically just create on a new private account to document your consistency journey, and basically just let, I don't know, maybe like 10 or 5 to 10 of your closest friends to see it. So first thing first, the thing that you wanted to be doing here is that you are going to be having a really clear goal about what is the thing that you wanted to be consistent at. Because notice, so many people, they only say to themselves, oh yeah, I'm going to be exercising consistently. I'm going to be studying consistently every single day. But they do not, have any plan whatsoever. Okay? What type of exercising are you going to be doing? How many minutes you are going to be spending your time doing your studying on a day-to-day basis? How can you even be consistent at doing something if you don't even have any clear idea about the thing that you wanted to be consistent at? Okay, so just basically make some clear goals. So for example, the thing that you wanted to be doing here is, I don't know, 5 minutes of studying every single day, 5 minutes of reading a book every single day, 5 push-ups every single day, before 7 a.m. Okay, just create on some really clear goal. You don't necessarily need to go crazy with, oh yeah, 1 hour of studying every single day. No, just start small first. You can definitely increase the numbers later once you've got adapted to do the things. And basically, again, yeah, the thing that you wanted to be doing is to basically just create on the account, the new private account. Okay, solely the purpose is to just solely document your journey, and then tell, I don't know, 5 or 10 of your closest friends about this new account of yours. And you wanted to just DM them or just tell them directly offline. Okay, just go to them and just tell them personally. I don't know, just tell them personally, politely. Just tell them the urgency. If these are the people, the right people, the people who care about your growth, the people who wanted to see you happy, okay? You just, if they are the right person, they are going to understand you, okay? Just explain to them, why do you want it to be consistent at studying? Why do you want it to be consistent at exercising? Be honest to them, okay? Explain the urgency. Oh yeah, I wanted to, hey bro, hey man, I wanted to exercise consistently because I want to be healthy. I want to be able to be strong. I want to be having some level of discipline, some level of self-respect to myself by exercising consistently. Okay? Just tell them about the urgency and tell them that you are going to consistently document it in your new private account, and you only choose some of your closest friends, the right people, to watch this account, to see this account, and tell them that, hey, you are one of them. So this way, why this method is effective? Basically, this way, even on the days when you are not feeling motivated, which, we can all pretty much, I think we can all pretty much agree that those days are going to come, okay? You are not going to be feeling motivated 100% of the time, and that's natural, okay? But here's the thing, even on those days when you are not feeling motivated to do the thing, big chances you are still going to be doing it. Why? Because with this type of mechanism, one, you do not want to break the habit streak, because hey, you are going to be documenting you are going to be documenting your journey on a day-to-day basis, right? And you do not want to miss one day, because that means it's going to break your streak and your friends are going to know this. Okay? And precisely, again, you are going to grow some attachment, not wanting to lose the habit streak. And precisely because you tell your friends about this commitment, about this journey, you told them about the urgency. Well, and precisely because these are the people who care about your growth, Well, you do not want to disappoint them. You do not want to disappoint the people who wanted to see you succeed, right? So basically, those are the two reasons why this method is really, really effective in helping you stay consistent. And also, this is actually a really, really great way to document how far you've gone. Maybe on day one, you can see your push-ups form are not really that great. And then you just, you know, keep on improving, keep on documenting your journey, keep on learning from your mistakes. On day 20, you can already see that, oh, you know what? Doing 5 push-ups is easy now. You can even do 10 push-ups easily every single day. And maybe you can also see, like your struggle on a day-to-day basis, how much effort, how much time you've put in documenting, in showing up every single day. This is going to make you feel even more stronger attachment to the habit streak, not wanting to break it. So that's how you basically be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join our Discord, would really be meaningful for me. Okay. And yeah, for today's day authenticity post, today's June 20th, 2025, and today's memes are posted a you made it to Friday post last 24 hours, GMT +7. But this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.